some fresh smoky mutton galati kebab. Whoa. And it has a
मसाले का मुंह लगा रहा हूँ सर.
अच्छा.
इसको मैं तंदूर में भी डालेंगे.
It's winter time. It's mutton nihari time. We're at Park Circus. We're at Haji Saab. We're going to be trying out this as well as a lot of new stuff in the menu. Let's get inside. Alright, as promised, we're starting off with a mutton nihari first. It's very spicy preparation. Mutton nalli nihari. Let's look at this. Let's look at the size of this. Whoa. And it has a lot of meat over here. আমি আর ওয়েট করতে পারছি না গরম গরম তন্দুরি রুটি নেব I almost forgot. Let me sprinkle some of this coriander on top. I'm salivating while I'm speaking. Ready? Stunning. So this is not any mutton nihari. This is a nalli nihari. So you get this huge piece of mutton leg. Plus, you get a lot of meat. It just disintegrates when I apply a little pressure. That's how soft this meat is. Winter jokhoni ashe, the first thing which we think of when it comes to meat is nihari. Then comes paya. But nihari over paya any day. क्या कर रहे हो?
जंगली मसाले का मुंह लगा रहा हूँ सर.
अच्छा.
इसको मैं तंदूर में भी डालेंगे.
ठीक.
कुक होगा.
ये स्किन इंटैक्ट है इसके साथ, चमड़ा के साथ है ये?
विद स्किन के साथ है सर.
ओके.
मैंने तंदूर में डाल दिए.
ज्यादा पका नहीं है ना? इसका नाम जंगली मसाला क्यों है?
जंगली मसाले का मुर्ग.
क्यों इसका नाम ऐसा क्यों है?
ये एक्चुअली जंगल की जितना हब्स है हर्बल से बनता है सब कुछ.
Okay, we have our first two starters. After a little wait, we have a chicken jungli kebab. So this is a whole tandoori with the skin intact. Just look at the size of this massive size. You have 4 huge pieces of chicken, which basically comprises the whole chicken. And we also have a boneless chicken kebab over here. So chondo garam. Let's try this chicken. Are we ready? So juicy, piping hot, love it. First two chicken starters. This jungli kebab is a stunner. It tastes delicious. This one too is a very unique preparation, not your usual kebab, but we've had a lot of boneless. I'm not a very big fan of boneless chicken kebabs. This one has my heart. I'm struggling today to find which item to criticize because every item is very unique. The portion is huge, quality is good, the entire preparation is very unique. I think if I'm really pressed, I would say it's really unfortunate that I have to choose one. And I might say that the boneless chicken was maybe not up to the mark when you're comparing it with the other 3 items which they've selected. The prawn, that jungli chicken, once again I'm mentioning, as well as this fish. These 3 are absolutely stunning. Some fresh, smoky mutton galati kebab with lachha paratha. I was about to eat, then I forgot that we haven't clicked it yet, so we just stopped to try this one. Thank you. This mutton kebab is amazing. The paratha could have been crispier. It's not very crispy, but the galati, it is how it's supposed to be. It melts in your mouth, has the right masalas, not overcooked, not undercooked, perfectly seasoned, delicious. আমি এখানে এক্সপ্রেশন দিচ্ছি ও সালা মাটন দেখাচ্ছে
না না রোস্টেড চিকেনের মতো পেয়ে আছে
একটা শর্ট ভিডিও তুলবো There is no way you're coming to Haji Sahib and you're not trying out biryani. No matter how many new items are there, be it your kebabs, be it your nahari, be it anything, I think somehow it's going to be incomplete if you don't have the good old Kolkata style biryani at Haji Sahib. Alright. I am a fan of chicken biryani. Sorry, this is mutton. I am a fan of chicken biryani, so I'll be having the chicken biryani over here. Mutton e tomra ekhane dekhte paccho piece ta kemon ache, alu ta kemon ache. It's a decent piece, it's a decent aloo. The biryani looks good. One thing I want to point out is they have their own mutton shop from a very, very long time. So anyone who has their own mutton shop like Devapi also at Barakpur, you can trust them with their meat. But no amount of that is going to cajole me to try out mutton because I have my favorite chicken biryani over here. চিকেনের সাইজটাও তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ আলুটাও একটু নিয়ে নিই and I think this is suffice. Already we've eaten a lot of stuff over here, so I'm not going to be filling myself up too much now because we have something special for desserts. So dessert fan jara acho tomra last of the wait karo. I'm going to give this one last bite. I think this is a balance between greasy, which we call tad, and dry. It's not too greasy and it's not too dry. So if you want balanced biryani, I'm not very sure if that is usually the case over here, but today certainly the biryani it has a bit of both. Himadri Orko, তোমাদের এক্সপেরিয়েন্স কেমন হিমাদ্রি?
খাবার মারাত্মক ভালো কোন আইটেম ছেড়ে কোন আইটেমের কথা বলবো একটা আইটেমও খারাপ বলার নেই সবগুলো আইটেম খুব ভালো ড্রিঙ্কটা not overly sweet. Darn.
Orko, what about you?
This is my first time at Haji Sahib. The place is really good. Proper fine dining for family and friends. And also I tried the drink lychee mocktail. I find it overly sweet. Could be good if it was like more
Atomized
fizzy.
sweet.
Yeah.
Fizzier.
From the starters, I liked the fish starters. Yeah, it was really good.
Ankita, how has your experience been?
This is the first time I'm visiting this outlet of Haji. I loved the starter, the jungle chicken one. It was amazing, and as of now, I'm enjoying the biryani a lot. So yeah, it has been wonderful.
जंगल की मंगल इसलिए बनाया है कि हाजी साहब स्पेशली डिश है ये उसमें हम लोग रबड़ी के अंदर में छोटा गुलाब जामुन छोटा रसगुल्ला उसमें डाल करके हम लोग ड्राई फ्रूट दे करके ये कहीं पे भी नहीं मिलेगा सिर्फ हाजी साहब स्पेशली मिलेगा रेस्टोरेंट में
Okay, so we're going to be ending our day on a sweet note. We have a special dessert called Jungle Ke Mangal. So while they're enjoying their meal outside, let me give you an overall review of how our experience went. We tried a lot of stuff. I personally like the Nihari because I think that was appropriately priced, not very highly priced. They have a decent quality as well. So mutton nihari you should try. The chicken, the jungli kebab, I have stressed enough already. It's wonderful, you can try. The fish cordon bleu was something really unique over here. We did not expect an out and out Mughlai restaurant to serve such an amazing continental. So you can try that. Wasabi chicken, maybe not so much, you can skip that. Biryani, always when you're coming to Haji Sahib, I don't think I need to give you a review of that. I'm sure if you are a regular, you would be trying that. But if you haven't tried out the galati yet, you must definitely try that. So yeah, I think overall we've had a pretty decent day. I'm going to come back for the Nihari for sure, along with maybe the jungli kebab next time too. But I'll need to get at least 4 big eaters because those are massive sizes of chicken. So yes, if you did enjoy this video, do share with your friends and family. Until next time, this is Food Spa wrapping up from a winter evening at Haji Sahib at Park Circus. Cheers.